Okay, let's get before I go. Why? Why, ano, why you I think you have work. You have work ba? Good morning, Elmar. Oh my goodness. Kaya nga hindi, eh, fuck, putang ina. Lul, hayop na to. Bakit ayaw ibigay? Ipotok sa loob, ipotok. Team welcome ba? Oh my god, I like that. I like that. One more, one more. Oh my god, this is the last. Ay. Better luck. Tang ina. It's okay. One win. Two loss. Two loss. You know that what is two loss in Bisaya? Tang ina. Sabayan mo lang sila yan. Kasi dyan ka kukuha ng lakas sa akin ako. Paano ko sila sasabayan ganon? Paano ko sasabayan ganon? Ayaw. Putik na yan. Huwag naman ganon. I'm a bad girl talaga dito. O, ganon daw. Yaw. Huwag naman ganon. Yate. Oh, yan. Hala, bigo like, like ganon. She want more daw, Shut. Master, mag-ano ka naman sa akin, mag-ambag ka naman, yes. Bigo likes it. But sometimes, she got banned. Banned me. Like me. Yes. Oo, true. Dito lang ako mapagmura, pero sa totoong talaga. Ay, shit. Ay, dito ko natutunan lahat kabastusan eh. Yawa. Better luck. Putik na yarn. Naks naman! Ayok. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Ingat. Uy. Dan na, uy. Dan palubak na, uy, Christian. Take care of yourself, Mons. Hope hope I see you again. When I see you again. Kinantahan pa talaga. Kahit hindi naman kagandahan yung boses ko, I will sing. Charis. Thank you so much. Oh, buhos mo na yan. Buhos mo. Charis. Thank you. When I see you again. Masama kasi yung ko, boses ko kasi. Nilagnat, may sipon, may ubo. Diba? Di nyo ba nahahalata yung boses ko? Nag-iba? Hindi tulad ng dati. Charis. Secret! Sige na, uy.